What's going on, guys? In this video, I will show you how you can install fonts to Figma. So let's start. So first, go ahead and open up your browser, and from here, let's go to figma.com/downloads. Now from here, let's go to font installers and let's click on Windows installer. So let's save this file and let's open it up and run it. So this is install Figma agent. Let's click on run. And click on install. So let's just wait for a few seconds here. So after that, we can click on close. Now let's open Figma app on our computer. And now we need to download some new fonts. So here, let's go to 101 fonts. And let's choose some random fonts from here. So for example, we want this one. Let's click on download. And once that's downloaded, let's go ahead and click on this icon right here. And let's open the folder. So here we can see that we have all the files for our font. So what we have to do is to extract this folder. So let's copy this folder first. So I'm going to place it here in my drive. And then let's right click and click on extract all. So let's click on extract. And now we need to install this font into our system. So let's just double click on this file right here and click on install. Alright, so let's take a note of the name for this font. It's called Goddy's Burger. So let's close this one. Now let's go back to Figma and close this up. And let's open that one more time. Now here, let's try to write something. Let's click on the text tool and let's click it here. Now let's try to write something. Let's say sample. Now let's try to change this font to the one that we installed. So you can go to typography and here it's called Goddy's Burger. So it's right here. So now we can see that we have the font installed also in Figma. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.